Made from EPDM, MBR material, this high-performance rubber welding hose comes in vibrant red, green, or blue colors. It is available in 1/4 inches -3/8 specifications and can be customized in lengths of 50 meters, 100 meters, or as per your requirements. With a maximum burst pressure of 900 psi and a working pressure of 300 psi, this hose is suitable for a wide range of industrial applications. Designed for durability and flexibility, this hose can withstand temperatures from -40 degrees Celsius to +90 degrees Celsius.